Ready?
Yeah.
Look at this. The crack is sealed. The seal is cracked. Russell, look at this. Oi!
And
What kind of packaging is this? I'm not impressed. Oh, there you go.
that's how you know you're an average consumer.
There you go, Sean.
That's how you know you're a freaking average consumer.
Well, there's everything.
This guy's talking about packaging.
Well, I opened it and it came like this. What the hell is that supposed to do with me? I'm
How does that
the
affect-
realist. I'm the realist freaking
How
game
does that
reviewer.
affect? How does that?
Outchea.
How does that affect your?
Look at that power brick, what?
How does that affect your gaming experience?
What is this?
Oh,
HDMI.
HDMI. What an amateur. Oh, look at that. It's a freaking brick.
What the frick is this nonsense? Oh,
To support it.
Hey, get the
I'm
frick out!
I'm holding the box.
No!
So you can take it out.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
It's heavy. Hey, what the frick is going on with you freaking stupid freaking Bill Gates and Shankolanks?
Probably took like $10 to make this.
Hold on. Whoa!
Why is it so dense? Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Freaking monster.
So big.
10 pounds. At least.
At least, yeah. Wow.
Hold on.
Wow.
This is what I gotta do. See that? It's finesse.
Look at that.
Damn it.
Oh shit. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That's a winner right there. Look at that. That's a winner. Let's go.